In this video, I'm going to show you how to put together a flip book. So you have 3 sheets of paper. So on one paper you have stretch vertical compression on the bottom. If you flip it over, it says vertical translation upside down on the top. Then you have reflection on the bottom. If you flip that piece of paper over, it says horizontal translation upside down on the top. And then your last piece of paper has your transformation function, absolute value function there on the bottom. So make sure what you want to do is you want to have this sheet on the very bottom. Then you want to have your reflection on top of that, that's on the bottom. And then you want to have your vertical stretch composition right there. That would also be on the bottom. So take off the top page, so you're looking at the reflection page. Take the reflection and line it up so that it's just above the transformation of absolute value graphs, like that. Then you're going to take the vertical stretch compression and put it right on top like that. So it's a staircase effect. Take your papers, tap them to the side to make sure that everything's lined up nicely. Then you're going to start to crease this over, and you'll see you have your vertical translation, horizontal translation, and parent function showing. So everything should be nicely aligned. Take your fingers up, form the crease in the top. So you've just made your flip book. But now we need to secure our pages, so we're going to take the glue stick, we're going to open up the top flap, bring the paper back, and right on the inside, you really don't want to go over that crease. Don't go on the top part of that crease. And then you're going to place this right inside that crease, press down. Open up the next page, and the same thing. We're going to put more glue right along that crease like that. Push everything down. So now you have everything that you need. Your booklet's all together. So what you'll do is you'll fill in what is the vertex of the parent function, what is the axis of symmetry for the parent function. When you open this up, you will put some examples of graphs that have been translated horizontally and their corresponding function. And you will also want to talk about the axis of symmetry as well as the translation. Then on the inside of the vertical translation, again, you'll give some examples both graphically and as a function, as well as talk about the axis of symmetry and the vertex and the different shifts that have been involved. Same thing with the vertical stretch or compression. You give some examples there. And then the same thing with the reflection. Your last page looks a little different than what I have here, in that I did not complete this for you. So you will need to complete this side about what shift is happening with each of these. And then you'll notice that this equation right here is also up here at the top. So you'll need to talk about what does the A stand for, what does the H stand for, and what does the K stand for as far as translations of a function. So when you're done, you'll have your booklet that will help you to go back and to look for help whenever you need it in order to talk about what sort of transformations your function went through.